Imagine a world where freedom, exploration, and self-exploration collide in the most unexpected way. A camper tricycle. That's exactly what Kevin Cyr, a celebrated artist and designer, envisioned and brought to life. In a world where most people dream of sleek RVs or luxurious motorhomes, Cyr's camper tricycle stands as a one-of-a-kind, awe-inspiring creation that's redefining what travel, art, and innovation can look like. This isn't just about a vehicle. It's about a statement, a lifestyle, and a bold move that combines functionality with artistry. Kevin Cyr is widely known for his knack for blending practicality with creativity, and his camper tricycle is no exception. At first glance, it might look like something plucked straight out of a surreal dream. A three-wheeled bicycle equipped with a fully functional camper unit on the back? It sounds unconventional, and it is. But it's this exact eccentricity that captures the imagination and forces you to rethink what's possible. The tricycle is compact, quirky, and deeply personal. Kevin Cyr's inspiration for this project stemmed from his fascination with alternative forms of transportation and mobile living spaces. It's a nod to self-reliance, minimalism, and ingenuity in a world that often demands excess. Every detail of the camper tricycle speaks to its maker's creative genius and desire to challenge societal norms. The camper tricycle is not about speed or grandeur, it's about simplicity and freedom. At its core, it's a human-papered machine, which means no engines, no fuel, and zero emissions. It's an eco-friendly take on mobility, ideal for slow-paced adventures where the journey is just as important as the destination. This sustainable approach to travel makes it even more relevant today, as more people are seeking greener, more sustainable ways to explore the world. Despite its modest size, the camper tricycle packs an impressive punch when it comes to functionality. The camper unit itself is a marvel of space optimization. It unfolds to reveal a cozy interior complete with a bed, a small workspace, and storage compartments. Think of it as the tiniest home on wheels, but with an unparalleled charm. The attention to detail in its design ensures that every square inch is utilized efficiently, making it both practical and visually stunning. What makes this camper tricycle even more intriguing is how it challenges the traditional notions of travel and luxury. While the world is busy chasing bigger, faster, and more expensive vehicles, Kevin Cyr's creation is a reminder that the essence of adventure lies in its simplicity. It's a throwback to a time when traveling meant immersing yourself in your surroundings rather than isolating yourself in a high-tech bubble. Riding this tricycle forces you to slow down, to soak in the sights, sounds, and smells of the journey, making every trip a truly immersive experience. The camper tricycle is also an incredible example of how art and functionality can coexist. Kevin Cyr is an artist first and foremost, and his work often explores the intersection of utility and aesthetics. The tricycle isn't just a mode of transport, it's a moving sculpture, a piece of art on wheels that turns heads wherever it goes. Its hand-painted finish and meticulous craftsmanship make it a conversation starter, drawing curious glances and sparking discussions about creativity and sustainability. What's even more fascinating is how the camper tricycle has captured the imagination of people worldwide. It's not just a niche project, it has become a symbol of individuality and the human spirit's boundless creativity. Social media platforms are buzzing with photos and videos of this unique creation, and its popularity continues to grow as more people are inspired by its ingenuity. Kevin Cyr's camper tricycle also carries a deeper message about the relationship between humans and their environment. In a world that's increasingly reliant on technology and convenience, this creation reminds us of the beauty of simplicity and the importance of reconnecting with the basics. It's a call to live intentionally, to embrace the unconventional, and to find joy in the little things. Whether it's pedaling through a quiet countryside or setting up camp under the stars, the camper tricycle offers an experience that's both grounding and liberating. Another remarkable aspect of the camper tricycle is how it encourages people to think differently about mobility. It's not just for artists or adventurers, it's for anyone who's ever dreamed of breaking free from the ordinary. Imagine commuting to work in one of these or using it as a weekend escape vehicle. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. The camper tricycle is also a testament to the DIY spirit and the power of human ingenuity. Kevin Cyr built this masterpiece with his own hands, proving that you don't need massive resources or advanced technology to create something extraordinary. It's a reminder that some of the most impactful creations come from passion, creativity, and a willingness to experiment. The practicality of the camper tricycle goes hand in hand with its artistic value. It challenges you to rethink what's necessary and what's excessive. In a world where bigger often seems better, this tiny human-made vehicle proves that less can indeed be more. It's a celebration of minimalism, encouraging people to focus on what truly matters: the journey, the experiences, and the connections made along the way. Kevin Cyr's creation is also a powerful commentary on sustainability. At a time when climate change and environmental concerns are at the forefront of global discussions, the camper tricycle offers a refreshing perspective. It's a low-impact way to travel, leaving no carbon footprint and promoting a greener lifestyle. It inspires others to consider alternative forms of transportation and to be more mindful of their environmental impact. The camper tricycle has also sparked a wave of creativity among its admirers. Many have taken inspiration from Cyr's work to design their own versions of compact, mobile living spaces. It's a movement that celebrates individuality, craftsmanship, and the joy of creating something unique. The camper tricycle has become more than just a vehicle. It's a cultural phenomenon that continues to influence and inspire. As you think about Kevin Cyr's camper tricycle, it's hard not to be captivated by its charm and ingenuity. It's a reminder that the most extraordinary ideas often come from thinking outside the box, from challenging conventions and daring to be different. It's proof that art, functionality, and sustainability can come together to create something truly magical. So, the next time you see a massive RV or a luxury motorhome cruising down the road, remember the camper tricycle. It may be small, slow, and unconventional, but it's a shining example of how innovation and creativity can change the way we see the world. Kevin Cyr has given us more than just a vehicle. He's given us a glimpse into a future where adventure is accessible, sustainable, and endlessly inspiring. And isn't that what true freedom is all about?